Everyone, welcome back to Pulse Q. We got bacon going down on our 36-inch Blackstone. Very nice. Well, you're going to see what I'm going to make with this bacon. You guys want to fry up some bacon? Blackstone does a great job. Cook it to whatever doneness you want, and you're good to go. This is one hell of a breakfast cooking machine, I'll tell you that. Kind of making breakfast today, sort of. You'll see. Bacon is done. As you can see, like I said, cook it to whatever doneness you prefer. The kids like it a little bit more on the crispy side, so that's why it's a little bit more crispy. That's okay. I'm going to pick back up with the next thing we're going to do. Once your bacon's cooked, beautiful. Time to go. I'm going to start off piece of bread with some butter on it. Throw a piece of cheese. Get some of that bacon that we made. Put the bacon right on it. Top it off with another piece of cheese. Use any cheese of your choice. On this one here, I'm actually using a marble cheddar. I have some other cheeses too I'll be using, but just showing you the basics of how to do a grilled cheese here. Now you just let it go. We'll brown up that one side, then we'll flip it over. So I'll see you guys when it's ready to flip it over. We've been about a minute now on this side. We're going to go ahead and flip it over. Here we go. There we are. Hear that nice sizzle? Oh yeah. You can see the top of that is nice and browned. That's what you're looking for. I'm going to finish this one off, then we'll pick back up, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Once we're finished, then I slice it in half. Well, there we have it. Our grilled cheese is done. Takes only a matter of minutes. Cook some bacon. If you want to put bacon on it like I did, go for it. I cut this in half. Yeah, you know what? Let's go this way with cutting it in half. There we are. Cut in half. There you have it. Look at that. Down, take a bite. Bacon adds a good flavor to the grilled cheese, that's for sure. Well, fast, simple one for you guys. Go ahead, recreate it on your own. Make it how you want. Use the cheese that you want to use. You don't have to use marble cheddar like I did. You can use any cheese you prefer. Bacon, like I said, cook it to your doneness. That's it. Toasting the bread with the cheese and the bacon after. Beautiful. Comes together perfect. You guys like this one? You know what to do. Hit the subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys all on the next one. Bye.